Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef pho. First, we'll prepare the aromatic broth. Begin by toasting whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves until fragrant. Then, char onions and ginger over an open flame until slightly blackened. Combine these with beef bones and water, simmering for at least 3 hours to develop a deeply flavorful base. This initial step is crucial for an authentic pho experience. Next, let's prepare the beef and noodles. For the beef, thinly slice raw sirloin or eye of round against the grain. This ensures tenderness when cooked by the hot broth. If using, simmer beef brisket or meatballs in the broth until tender. Cook the flat rice noodles according to package instructions, usually for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. Rinse them briefly to prevent sticking. Now, let's assemble your perfect bowl of pho. Start by placing a generous portion of the cooked rice noodles into a large serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange the thinly sliced raw beef and any other cooked meats, like brisket or meatballs, on top of the noodles. The most exciting part is ladling the piping hot, aromatic broth directly over all the ingredients. The heat from the broth will gently cook the raw beef to perfection. Finally, the garnishes are essential for a complete pho experience. Offer a vibrant array of fresh herbs, including Thai basil, cilantro, and mint, for guests to add as they please. Provide crisp bean sprouts, fresh lime wedges, and thinly sliced red chilies for an extra kick. Don't forget to include hoisin sauce and sriracha on the side, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to their exact preference. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.